Hi everyone, I'm at Hobby Lobby today and I wanted to go inside and see what some of the best deals are right now for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. So let's go on in and see what's in store. I wanted to highlight some amazing finds at Hobby Lobby today for your shoeboxes because Hobby Lobby isn't just known for its crafts and home decor, they're also passionate about supporting Christian ministries worldwide. My husband works full-time in Bible translation with Unfolding Word, and knowing that Hobby Lobby actively backs global Bible translation is especially meaningful to us. Plus, as you can see from their displays, Hobby Lobby proudly supports Operation Christmas Child, making it a perfect spot to shop for your shoebox gifts. There are shoeboxes here that you can purchase if you don't have any to use, and these are really nice quality ones that are plastic from Operation Christmas Child. So let's walk through the store and I'll show you some of my favorite items that I always try to check out as I'm shopping here. The first are the stuffed animals. They have an adorable selection of stuffed animals, and these are one of my favorites right now. They are different sport balls and they are really cute with the little smiley faces. They're only $4.99, which is a great price for a wow stuffed animal. And these would work well for the boy boxes. Also near the registers were some more toy options that would be perfect for shoeboxes. There was this plastic glider toy for just $3.99. They also had packs of stretchy noodle fidget toys for $2.99. These colorful fidget slugs for $3.99. And a nice bag of marbles for $2.99. A poppet ball for $2.99, and several other fun little treasures that would make great additions to your shoeboxes. Some of the best deals at Hobby Lobby come from their seasonal and holiday sales, sometimes even up to 90% off after holidays. Today their fall selection was 50% off. Though the selection was limited at my store, I did find some adorable stickers and watercolor books. And this super cute Pilgrim craft set for just $1, complete with markers. Christmas is already 50% off at Hobby Lobby, and my store had tons of little toys that are perfect for shoebox fillers. These discounts will go even deeper as we get closer to Christmas, though the selection may thin out. They had stamp sets for just $1.25 after the discount. Adorable wooden pullback cars for $2.49. They had these light up sensory toys with fun Christmas designs for $1.25. They also had silly light up fidget toys for $1.50. I thought these guys were pretty funny for the shoeboxes. They had light up yo-yos at $1.25. Scented snow dough, an 8-pack of Christmas Mokies for $1.99. Not sure I'm saying that right. A 12-pack of Christmas Slinkies at $1.75. And a Christmas Jack set for $1.75 also. The ball poppers are one of my favorite additions to the shoeboxes, and they are about $2.50 right now. Plus, I spotted these scented multi-ink pens for $1.75, a 4-pack of cloud sand for $3.25, and a 12-pack of scented pens for $3.50. There are so many fun, budget-friendly options to stock up on. And we can't forget Alfred the Elf, this fun magnetic game where you can add different hairstyles and beard options using a little magnetic wand. Christmas is definitely in full swing at Hobby Lobby right now. These dinosaur socks were only $1 after the discount. And for everyone working at the processing center this year, check out these fun accessories to wear during your volunteer shifts. They had a lot of fun headbands and all of this festive jewelry. These bell necklaces are perfect to wear to the processing center, as well as to add some fun into the shoe boxes. There are so many different options at different prices, but most were around $2 to $3 after the discount. This set of bracelets was $3 after the discount, and it comes with 7 different bracelets with holiday sayings and colors. You could also get this 4-pack of earrings for $2.75. Heading out of the seasonal aisles, I like to stop at the party favorite aisle next for shoebox treasures. I found these adorable teddy bears in the baby shower section for $4.99. They come in pink and blue and would make a perfect wow gift for a younger child. This cloud pillow is only $3.99, and it's one of the softest stuffed animals that I found in the store. I can see a child cuddling with this, and it's a pretty decent size for the price. Another item I often purchase at Hobby Lobby for the shoe boxes in the party aisle are these beautiful leis. This 3-pack here is $3, making it just $1 each, and these are really full leis that would add a lot of fun to the box. There are also a 5-count of wristlets for just $1, and these are great extras to add in at the end to fill up a girl's shoebox and add a pop of color. These flower crowns are also wonderful quality and so pretty. They are a 6-pack for $2.49. Check out this bee plush. It's another really cute stuffed animal for $4.99, and this had great reviews online too. I have purchased these inflatable fish before for under the sea themed shoeboxes. They're $2.99 for the 6-pack. You can also get a 6-pack of these colorful rubber fish for $2.99, so 50 cents each. There are some fun masks in the party aisle for a budget price. These paper barnyard masks are $1.49 for a 10-pack and would be super cute to add into a 2 to 4-year-old box. I also found the dinosaur foam masks, so a little bit nicer in quality, and they were an 8-pack for $2.49. You could pair these with the dinosaur socks and have a really cute themed box underway. I hadn't seen these really bright colorful bead necklaces before. They're a 12-count for $1.99, and I really love the colors. If you're doing some unicorn boxes, there were a 5-pack of rubber unicorns for $2.49. This bright pink set of 6 hair coils were only 99 cents. And these fun pastel colored slap bracelets were only $1.99 for 12. These were some of my favorite stuffed animals at the $4.99 price point. They were on a stand near the back of the store and were a lot bigger than some of the other stuffed animals. Plus they had some really cute creatures like this little frog, and they were very soft and cuddly. The stingray was only $3.99. As a Floridian, I also liked seeing the alligator, and that would be a fun themed box for a boy. And here's that cloud pillow that I love again. I found some more Christmas items as I was walking through the store. This 4-pack of gingerbread pencils is $1.50. There was also Christmas-themed watercolor paint books for $1.50. One thing I love about Hobby Lobby is their selection of Bible-themed Christmas items. These felt nativity stickers would be a sweet addition at $1.25 for the set. And they also had a 3D nativity craft for $2, though after looking at the reviews online, it mentioned that it would be tricky to assemble. This nativity sticker scene, however, would be a perfect extra item for shoeboxes. It comes with 12 sticker sheets and 12 backgrounds for only $1.50. There were also Bible-themed coloring and activity books, like the Story of Christmas sticker book, which looked high quality for $1.50. And this Happy Birthday Jesus coloring book. Last year I found several smaller versions of this on clearance for, I believe, about 90% off after Christmas. One of my favorite finds was the Nativity Wheel Crafts. I've done this with kids at my own church, and it includes 24 colorable nativity story wheels for just $2.50. There were also Christmas-themed wood craft sets with markers, including a gingerbread house for $1 and a lovely 2-piece nativity kit for only $1.49. This comes with 2 different stables and 2 different of each character within the nativity story. I'd probably send extra markers with these sets so the child has plenty to work with. In the regular toy and school supply aisles, I found these adorable safari and sea creature eraser sets. They're a 25-piece for $5.99. These would be perfect to put inside pencil packs. Hobby Lobby also offers a variety of sticker pads based on popular characters, which is great if you're looking for a specific theme. Oftentimes in the bead aisle, certain brands and styles of the beads are marked 50% off. This past week was the Bead Design Company brand. I've bought these before to make jewelry and different hair accessories. You can even buy this really sweet bead kit for only $2.25 when it is on sale. The handkerchiefs come in so many fun designs and colors, priced at just 99 cents for most of the styles. I love the strawberry print and the adorable paw print option. And again, for a dino themed box, they have this cute dinosaur print as well. They also have generic Mood Pop brand Crocs. They are a great price at $5.99 and they're available in different colors and sizes. And in the same aisle, they have mesh baseball hats for $1.99. This is their regular price and one of my favorite Hobby Lobby finds. It is such a great deal with a range of colors, including pretty pinks for the girls. Hobby Lobby has a lot of iron-on decals as well. Sometimes I can find certain ones on clearance, and these can add a lot of pizzazz to shirts, tote bags, backpacks, hats, and so many more fun items in your shoeboxes. I always try to browse the clearance section as well, which can be hit or miss. I didn't find anything too exciting today, but sometimes I can find quite a good deal. And in the toy aisle, thanks to Sweet Tea Daily's YouTube channel, I knew to look for this adorable 8-piece wooden construction set for only $4.99. They also have a city set with vehicles, 2 wooden people, and fun little details like traffic lights. And there is a safari set which was out of stock here. It's a train with different safari animals. And some other highlights from the toy aisles. I found this silly plastic animal head puppet for $3.99. I may use one of these for a llama themed box, and I'm sure it would cause a lot of laughs. There were suction cup bugs, a 12-pack for $3.99. There were these flower brick building sets for $4.99, and they're similar to Lego. There were some dino flyers for $1.99. And I found this decent sized light up football for $2.99. There were some Sparkle Girls dolls at $2.99, and they're about the same size as the Chelsea Barbie dolls. And these sweet baby dolls at the end of the aisle have bottles, and they're a wonderful size to make a great wow gift at just $5.99. After grabbing some stuffing from my daughter's crochet creations, I think my cart is ready for checkout, and I have many unique items to make each shoebox special. Let's go check out. Thanks for coming along with me. Let's head on home and I'll show you what I picked up. Here's a look at what I picked up at Hobby Lobby today. I was very pleased with some of these shoebox finds. A few of these items are for specific themed boxes that I already have in the works, while others will be perfect for upcoming packing parties or to use as I pack shoeboxes throughout the year. I ended up getting the dinosaur socks for $1 and the foam dinosaur masks that I think will be really nice as an extra for the boxes. I really love these stuffed animal ball characters, especially that baseball with those sneakers. And I have 3 boy boxes that are sports themed that these will be going into soon. I also picked up some of the nativity crafts. I really liked the sticker and background set, as well as the wooden character pieces that you can separate into 2 full sets. I thought that was really nice, and like I said, I'm going to include a full pack of markers with it. I also got this reindeer kit as just a fun extra. I ended up getting 2 baseball caps, and these will be going into my sport boxes as well. I picked up some fun jewelry for myself and daughter as we're heading to the Atlanta Processing Center in the beginning of December. I also picked up some of these unicorn rubber ducky style toys. I just thought they were really pretty and cute for the girl boxes. I got a set of marbles. This is a classic toy and always a good option to put in the boxes. And I picked up some of the Christmas toys. I also got this Rubik style puzzle. It was $1.50. I picked up these little filler slinky toys. And these mochi toys, I'll open them up so you can see what they look like. Here they are out of the packaging. They have a little present here and just some other Christmas themed designs. Also a little dog. So these are cute for the price and just fun little extra filler. You can put those in water bottles. I got the snowman popper. And then I thought these little creatures would be really fun for the older boys, and I kind of got a dark green and red to go with the hats. I really liked the colors on these beads, and it's a great price for $1.99 for 12 of them. And I couldn't pass up the lays. They're just so pretty and will add such a nice, colorful, and girly touch to the girl boxes. Thanks so much for shopping with me today at Hobby Lobby. I hope this gave you some great ideas for current deals and perfect shoebox finds. Hobby Lobby is such a fantastic store to visit year-round for deals, and it's even better knowing they support Operation Christmas Child and other gospel-focused work around the world. Until next time, happy shoebox packing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!